Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Stacy.C. Thank you guys for coming back, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. So washing the aloe vera and putting it to drain for a bit, I cut off the top and both sides of the aloe vera. And I'm going to split it down the middle and just use a spoon to scoop out the fleshy part that I'm going to blend up to put in my hair. After I'm finished scooping out the aloe vera, put it in the blender and blend it for like 1-2 minutes. Use a piece of a stocking foot to strain the blended aloe vera in. So after I'm finished straining the aloe vera, I mix it with this StacyC air conditioner. I use a spoon to stir it in well. to use this eco gel container that I have to make the oil. So I have a small amount of castor oil in it. Now I'm going to put some of the Blue Magic Hair Oil in the container. To the ingredients, I'm going to add some olive oil, I'm going to add some of this hair food oil. Then I'm going to use the spoon to mix it up, and as I go along, if I need more, I am going to add it to the ingredients until it reaches the amount that I need. I've shampooed my hair and now it's time to add the aloe vera mixture. So I am going to part the hair section by section, then I'm going to detangle, then I add the mixture to my hair. So this is the mixture now, and I'm telling you, it feels so nice on the skin, and the scent is like some even catch my mouth anyways. So I'm going to add the mixture to the part of the hair that I detangle. So after adding the aloe vera mixture to my hair, I use this white tea comb to comb through my hair. Then after which I'm going to use a rubber band to hold the hair at the root. After which I'm going to plait it. finished plaiting my hair, I decided to put the rest of the mixture in my hair. So I put it onto my edges that I don't really have much of, and then I just massage it in. Then I put a steam cap over my ear and leave it for 45 minutes. 45 minutes I wash out the mixture, and then look at my hair at this moment. So my twists are bouncy and my hair feels nice and smooth and soft, and not only that, it look blacker than it was before. So I'm just going to comb out the hair, detangle it section by section, then I'm going to blow dry it. So the blow drying part is one that I don't really like. I don't like using the blow dryer, so I'm going to do my best at it. So now I'm going to use some of the oil mixture to my ear. Then I'm going to just continue every wash day with the same method over and over, and watch what it do to my ear, especially for my edges. And I will give you guys an update on it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And always remember that love is life, and life is love. See you in the next one. Bye.